Good day, everyone. Today, we will explore a topic that often sparks deep curiosity, debate, and reflection: why women cannot become Pope in the Roman Catholic Church. This presentation will focus on the official teachings and theological foundations behind the Church's position. We will examine historical, doctrinal, and sacramental reasons that explain why, according to current Catholic doctrine, the papacy and the priesthood itself is reserved for men. We will also briefly acknowledge some of the ongoing discussions and differing views, including those from Reformist theologians and Catholic feminists. The goal is not to argue for or against a particular side, but rather to understand the reasoning within the Catholic tradition and how it connects to the Church's broader views on leadership, sacramental roles, and continuity with apostolic tradition. Let's begin by looking at the roots of church teaching, starting with the examples set by Jesus and his apostles. Theme: Apostolic Model. Official Catholic Church position: Jesus chose only men as apostles, which the Church must follow. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: Jesus' choices were culturally shaped. Women disciples, example Mary Magdalene, had leadership roles. Theme: Tradition or apostolic succession. Official Catholic Church position: Church has consistently ordained only men. It cannot change sacred tradition. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: Tradition evolves. Past injustices have also been corrected. Example, slavery, treatment of heretics. Theme: In persona Christi. Representation. Official Catholic Church position: Priests must be male to represent Jesus physically in the sacraments. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: Jesus' maleness is not essential. What matters is representing Christ's love, not his gender. Theme: Authority to change. Official Catholic Church position: Pope John Paul II declared the Church has no authority to ordain women. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: That declaration was disciplinary, not infallible. Future popes could revisit the issue. Theme: Unity and universality. Official Catholic Church position: Male priesthood keeps continuity and unity in global Catholicism. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: Exclusion of women undermines unity and justice. Real unity includes all vocations. Theme: Role of women in the Church. Official Catholic Church position: Women have essential but non-ordained roles. Example, religious life, theology, service. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: Limiting women from ordination devalues their gifts and calls to spiritual leadership. Theme: Historical evidence. Official Catholic Church position: No evidence that women were ever ordained as priests or bishops in the early Church. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: Historical evidence suggests women served as deacons and some early Christian communities had female leaders. Theme: Symbolism and theology. Official Catholic Church position: Sacraments are symbolic. Male priesthood symbolizes Christ as bridegroom to the Church. Reformist, feminist Catholic view: This metaphor is limiting. The church as the body of Christ includes both men and women equally. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. If you learned something new or have thoughts to share, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your perspective. If you enjoy this content and want to see more educational videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks again for your support. I'll see you in the next video.